Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. What is up? It is your boy James Lee here from Celestin Capital. As you can see, we are currently in live markets. We are waiting for 8:30 because there is news. I'm hoping the move happens a little after 8:30, just because again, FTMO with news violations and their stipulations with the news. Again, I do not have the swing account, so I cannot trade news. So I'm hoping the moves happen a little bit after 8:30, probably 3 to 5 minutes after 8:30, because I think I'm allowed to trade then. But on gold, we are looking for sales currently. As you can see, this is a nice, very nice setup. We got a liquidation of the highs and a break of structure to the downside. So we are currently looking to capitalize on uh, the move down that we're expecting. We've got about 11 minutes until news hits. So we're going to look for an optimal entry to get into the market and take price to the downside. GCAD right now, nothing much, not looking too good. I'm not going to take this trade just because the stop loss is too big. There's no way for me to refine this trade. About 31 pips, way too big. But I am expecting price to continue to the downside. I'm expecting a retracement back to this high that took out liquidity, and then a retracement to the downside. Um, GU, I'm currently looking for sales as well. I'm waiting for price to break this. If price breaks this low, then we can potentially expect a continuation of sales to the downside, a continuation of bearishness in price. And yeah, those are the three things I'm looking for, or those are the three pairs I'm looking at. These are the three pairs I've been looking at for the past few months. Yeah, so that's what we're expecting on gold, GU, and GCAD. So we're just gonna wait a little bit. News is preparing to hit, so I'm gonna look for an optimal entry. I'll be back to update you guys with anything. All right, guys. We decided to enter in GU because price was pretty nice. Price played out nice. I know I was expecting a break of this low, but my buy shift a little bit. We had very nice price action going on. So we had the huge momentum to the downside, breaking structure, and then a mitigation, and we're expecting price to continue to the downside. So we're currently in GU. Let me show you guys really quickly. Hold on. Let me just show you guys here. You can see we are in GU. Very nice entry. Stop loss is about 10 pips or so. Yeah, about 11 pips. So yeah, we'll see how this plays out. We're expecting this to continue to fill in the imbalances right over. As you can see, we've got a ton of imbalance that we're expecting price to fill in over here. I may get in or I may get out, excuse me, somewhere around here, so about 80 some pips or so, depending on if this trade plays out to till tomorrow. I don't know. I might exit this trade before the end of the day, but yeah, I'll update you guys. In terms of gold, we're waiting for a retracement up here. Um, Again, we're waiting for a retracement up here. If price breaks this low right here that you see, I have marked up, then I will try to get in on a remitigation of this swing high left and continue to the downside. So that's currently what I'm looking for on these two pairs. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. If price does not break this, I'll probably get in on a mitigation of this high right here. So I'm either waiting for a break of structure or a mitigation of remitigation of this high up here, as you can see of this line up here. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a second whenever anything happens. GCAD is a no trade for me until price breaks this low right here. So again, I'll update you guys and give you guys um, an update on BOS down on what happens. See you guys in a sec. Quick update for you guys. It looks like GU may be respecting the swing high that we have marked up here. So we're again expecting GU to continue down from this price level. In terms of gold, gold has broken below this this structure low that we have marked up over here. So what we're looking for is and I'm gonna risk a lot less on this trade. On GU, I risked a 0.5%. As you can see, I dropped a 5 lot with 11 pip stop loss, so that's about 500, around 500 bucks. Gold, I'm gonna risk probably probably 0.25%. So what I'm waiting for is a retracement back to this high. Hopefully, it gives me another entry. It may not, but I'm gonna wait for a retracement back to this swing high and continue price down. This candle closed below the low. It was confirmation that price wants to continue, may want to continue bearish. Price more likely than not wants to continue bearish. So I'm waiting for a retracement back and then a continuation down to get in. Again, I'm going to risk less on this trade just so I'm safe. And GU, waiting for this to play out. I'm hoping it does. This wick doesn't look too good, but we'll see what happens. Whatever happens, happens. I'll give you guys an update in a second. Back with an update, ladies and gentlemen. Currently still in this GU trade. I'll show you guys right here. That is not it. GU right here, still in this trade. We're up a small amount, as you can see, but nothing serious. We're expecting GU to continue to the downside. Gold, we put a sell limit on here. We're expecting price to come back, give us another mitigation, or we're hoping price gives us another mitigation because it seems like it was already mitigated, but we're expecting another mitigation of this swing high. We're hoping that price goes up here and continues down from there. That's pretty much it, to be honest. Currently, GU is in profit, but we're gonna still manage and wait to see how we can manage this trade properly, because we don't want price to do something like this and for us to not take anything out of the market, right? We want to be able to take something out of the market, right? We don't want price to just go our direction and then come back and take us out. We want to, without getting something out of the market. So I want to make sure we partial or do something. I'm thinking about not partialing. I don't know yet. We'll see how this trade plays out. We will see how this trade plays out. But gold, once again, I'm waiting for a mitigation, continuation to the downside. That's why I have a sell limit right here, as I showed you guys before on gold. Right up here. Hopefully it hits on the money and we take this to the downside. This is actually going to be a swing trade on my live account. I think I told you guys that before. It's going to be a nice swing trade down to this demand zone right here. But because I do not have the FTMO swing account, I don't know how long I can hold this. I need to do some research really quickly. But I don't know how long I can hold this. So, I'm going to hold it for as long as I can on my FTMO. But yeah, on my FTMO, I'm only going to sell it down to here. But in reality, on my live account, we're looking to take this all the way down to, where is it? All the way down to here. It's demand zone down here. Some demand zone down here. There we go, right over here. So yeah, I'll update you guys, give you guys an update on what happens. And I will see you guys in a second. All right, guys, I scaled into another entry on GU with a 1 lot, as you can see right here. I've got a 5 lot running here and a 1 lot running here. As you can see, price liquidated the highs, broke structure to the downside. And I'm expecting the swing high to hold. So yeah, I scaled into this trade. So now I've got 2 positions running. Currently, we're up about 250. No big deal. I'm expecting price to continue to the downside, and we'll see what happens. Give you guys an update in a second. In terms of the other trades, right now, let's see. I've got gold has not come back yet. Still waiting on that. If it does decide to come back, this I'm just forward testing. No big deal. Forward testing this to see what happens. And I'll most likely log this into my trading journal just to keep this as record and see if I can back test this and implement this into my strategy. So just GU and gold I'm in right now. Those are the only two trades that I'm taking. Again, second entry on GU. I'm expecting the swing high to hold and continue to the downside. Same take profit. Same TP. I showed you guys that I scaled into the entry right here. We've got one. We've got one entry up here and another entry down here. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec. Give you guys an update. All right, traders. As you can see, um, still holding on this gold trade right here. We're hoping that it once again goes up to this level, taps us in, and continues to the downside. But that may or may not happen. So in terms of GU, we still got this trade running. Our second entry still held. I'll show you guys right here. Still held. The stop loss right here, as you can see, I've got a 1 lot, a 5 lot up here. Entry still held. This high did not hold, but we protected ourselves with this order block right here, which is holding perfectly so far. We're hoping that GU continues to the downside. We're expecting it to do so, and hits our TP. That would be a nice percentage gain on our account. Nice risk to reward as well. I'm off to school in a little bit, so I'm not going to be on here for the next 2-3 hours or so. So I'll update you guys whenever I get back home from school. Let's see, GCAD. Again, I did not take this trade just for testing. We got 100% mitigation on this as well, so it looks like it's following GU pretty similarly. And yeah, I'll give you guys an update as soon as I get back from school. Once again, got 2 positions running on GU. I've got a sell limit on gold. I'm thinking about deleting the sell limit and just find another entry point to get in on gold. Yeah, we'll see when I get back. I'll see you guys in a few hours, but for you guys, it'll be like 1 second. So see you guys in a little bit. I am back, guys. I am back. GU is playing out really well, but the thing is, GU is bouncing off this swing low that we have marked out here. I may get in for a quick buy scalp if I get more confirmation. Like if this structure high gets broken, see if this structure high gets broken, I may get in for a buy scalp. I'm expecting it to continue selling, but may get in for a quick buy scalp. But we'll see what happens. So here's the and I partialed on this trade. I had a 5 lot running. Now I've got a 2.5 lot running along with the 10 lot that I have down here. I may close out the 10 lot and let the 2.5 lot run just because I feel like it's going to continue to the upside, take out this liquidity maybe, or it just may sell from this swing high right here. But again, I may close it out, the 10 lot at least, or the 1 lot, not a 10 lot. And gold is heading towards our buy limit. Should be a nice trade. Should be a nice trade. Here's our current standing with the profits. As you can see, we're currently up about $700. In total, we're down. We were down 1%. Now we're down only 0.3% because I partialed. All right. So currently, we are down 0.3%. Equity is we're up 0.4%. If I were to close out all the trades right now, but we are not going to do that. I actually might just do that just so I can get in this gold entry because I think gold is going to continue selling. Yeah, I may do that. As you can see, my GU trades are all at break even as well. It's right here. GU trades at break even as well. Let me actually move this a little further down more. So that's looking clean. Break even. You can see the 2.5 lot up here. Break even. Just a little bit in profit. So yeah, I may close out the trades because I'm expecting the gold to tap in and continue heading our way. But I'll update you guys on what I do. I will be back in a little bit, guys. See you in a second. I am back, guys, and I decided to close the 10 lot that I had running on GU just because I feel like price might go up to potentially fill in this imbalance that you see. Well, let's go on trading view. Let me actually show you. Like price might go up to fill in this imbalance that you see right over here, this huge imbalance that you see right over here. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this away because we are no longer in that trade. So if I get a break of this structure, um, I'm going to get in for a buy scalp. So I want to see something like this. I want to see price. It looks like there's liquidity resting below here. What I want to see is a candle down, a wick down, and a break a structure up. And I'll get in on the mitigation of the move, swing low to continue up to here. Very small, very small scalp, but yeah, probably about, let's see, 15, 20 pips or so, but you know, pips are pips, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and catch that if we get the opportunity. Again, waiting for a break structure of this to continue to the upside. In terms of gold, still not in gold yet. If we don't get tapped in exactly right here, I'm not worried about it. I'm not trying to force anything, but I see the opportunity, so that's the reason I'm trying to take it. I see the opportunity, and we're expecting some kind of rejection um, on this line from gold. So once gold gets here, we're expecting some kind of major retracement to continue selling. All right, so swing low right here, took out liquidity. We're expecting price to bounce off of this and give us a nice rejection off of here. But we're still holding our sales in our live account. I still haven't entered on gold on my FTMO, so I'm just waiting for that. I've got a sell limit. What am I doing? I've got a sell limit up here. So yeah, I'm gonna wait and see, and yeah, give you guys an update on anything that happens. GCAD has been consolidating for a while. Again, this is just a forward test that I'm doing. I haven't taken a trade on this. So yeah, it's been consolidating for the past few days. As you can see, this huge range over here, not looking nice at all. So yeah, I'm just forward testing something. I saw um, liquidation, break a structure down, and I got in here looking to liquidate this demand zone. Because again, as I told you, this demand zone was already mitigated. We're expecting price to liquidate these sellers, or these buyers, excuse me. So I'll be back in a sec, give you guys an update or whenever something happens. All right, traders. So this buy scalp is not looking good anymore. So I'm no longer going to take it. If this low right here would have held and this candle would have pushed up like this, then I would have taken the buy scalp to continue to the upside. But that did not happen. Again, we're still in the sell, so that's perfect. That's fine with us. Either way, we're winning, right? So yeah, right now GU is heading down, which is beautiful. If we get a close below this low right here, that'll be even more beautiful. I'm looking for a 5-minute close below this, either 15-minute candle or 5-minute candle close below this low right here, and we can confirm bearishness, and that's going to be beautiful. All right, and we can possibly expect a retracement down or up to this swing high right here, maybe. If we get a close below this, we're going to expect something like this, especially because there's news tomorrow, so this push is nothing for the news. But yeah, if this trade doesn't hit my TP before news hits tomorrow, I'm going to have no choice but to close out my trades, guys. I'm holding it down to here, but again, because I don't have the FTMO swing account, I'm going to have no choice but to close out my trade if this TP doesn't get hit before the news comes out tomorrow at 8:30, as you guys can see right here. We've got two very impactful USD news. And so, yeah, I'm going to have no choice but to close out my trade. And yeah, we're heading towards the downside again. I'm looking for a 15-minute close below that low to confirm bearishness on GU. Right now, GU is still bullish, waiting for this low right here to be broken. Gold heading towards my buy limit. I still haven't decided to cancel that. I'm still waiting on that. GCAD, as it's been doing the past few days, still ranging. Not much to look at here, but yeah, just the updates for you guys. And I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna record when something interesting happens. All right. So if TP gets hit or if I get stopped out one or the other, most likely TP is gonna get hit. I believe in this trade. I believe in myself, guys. That's the key. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, guys. All right. Peace out. I will be back in a second. All right, guys, not much is going on. So this is going to be the end of the video. As we can see, um, something good actually happened. GU closed below this low that we expected it, or that we wanted it to close below. And excuse me. And yeah, that's a good sign of bearishness for GU. So we're expecting GU to continue to the downside. As I told you guys before, I may not be able to hold this trade just because of the news release that is going to happen at 8:30 in the morning tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up around 8 and see what happens. Yeah, it's most likely may. I'm hoping it hits TP during London session. So yeah, we're expecting bearishness from here. So we are going to continue to hold this trade, and I'll update you guys on this trade in the next video. If you guys like this one, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned for this entire series and more videos to come, be sure to subscribe and turn your post notifications on, guys, because this is going to be good. So far, let me show you guys how we're doing. We are with no profits closed. We are back at break even, basically, as you can see, 99.8. In terms of if we were to close now, we would be up 0.6%. All right, guys. So we rallied down from 1% to back to break even. So that's good. First week, next few weeks we're gonna be going hard. The market should be a lot better. We should be able to catch more, a lot better trades, and as you can see, this is steady progression, guys. This is not your average video where they show you, oh, I passed FTMO challenge in one trade. That's not what I'm about. I'm not going to do that. If you guys are looking for that, this is the wrong channel. If you guys want to look for steady, sustainable progression, then this is the right channel for you. All right, so see you guys in the next video. I'll give you guys an update on what happens in this trade. Peace out, guys.